Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off repeat notification on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Telegram notification and sound. These are sounds that inform you different type of things. If you have new messages from any group or channel or private chats, you will receive notification. Notification come with sound. Long story short, Telegram has special section about notification and sound on Telegram settings, which you can repeat notification, where Telegram will repeat notification when you get message or something on your Telegram. But if you get disturbed about this feature, you can just turn this off. How to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings. You can scroll down. Tap on notification and sounds. You can scroll down. On here, others section, you'll see there is an option, repeat notification. You can just tap on that. It's 1 hour. So after 1 hour, the notification will be repeat. Or you can choose 4 hour, but because we want to turn this off, you can just turn off like this. So you will never get repeated notification from Telegram. It's so simple, right? So that is how to disable or turn off repeat notification on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.